We'll guide you through how to remove text from shirt in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to remove logos, text, or unwanted designs from clothing and photos to make images look cleaner and more professional. It is useful for online shops, personal edits, or design purposes. Many beginners also look for simple Photoshop methods to achieve realistic results without advanced editing skills. To remove text from a shirt in Photoshop, start by opening Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Click the Windows Start button, type Adobe Photoshop, and press Enter to search for the program. When it appears in the results, click Open to launch the application. After Photoshop is fully loaded, click File on the top menu, then select Open to import your shirt image into the workspace. Browse your files, choose the image you want to edit, and click Open to load it. Once the image is visible, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J so you have a backup of the original image. Make sure the duplicated layer is selected in the Layers panel before continuing, as all edits should be applied to this copy. Next, zoom in on the text area to get better detail and improve your editing precision. Select the lasso tool or object selection tool from the toolbar, then carefully outline the text you want to remove. After making the selection, go to the top menu, click Edit, and choose Content-Aware Fill. This feature will analyze the surrounding area and attempt to replace the selected text with matching textures. If needed, adjust the sampling area in the Content-Aware Fill workspace to improve the result, then click OK to apply the changes. Once the text is removed, examine the area closely for any visible imperfections or unnatural patterns. Use the Clone Stamp tool to fix these issues by sampling nearby clean areas and painting over the flaws. Then, switch to the Healing Brush tool to further smooth and blend the edited section so it matches the surrounding fabric naturally. Take your time to refine the area until the shirt looks clean and realistic. After completing the edits, review the entire image and make any final adjustments if necessary. Finally, click File, then choose Save As, select your desired file format, and click Save to store your finished project properly.